Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the GIN web interface. GIN is a free system designed for comprehensive and reproducible management of scientific data. To find out more, visit web.gin.g-node.org. In this tutorial, we will be covering how to create and manage repositories, work with files, and edit text documents from within the GIN web interface. You can also find the contents of this tutorial in text form on the GIN wiki. To start off, you will need to create a repository. This is where your data is going to be stored. Click on the plus at the top of the site and select New Repository. On this page, you must select an owner and provide a name for your repository. Keep the name short, memorable, and unique. Use dashes or underscores in the place of spaces. Your new repository will be private by default, meaning that only chosen collaborators will have access. You can later set it to public from the repository settings. Providing a short description will allow you and others to swiftly recognize what this repository contains. You may also choose a license which will let others know what they can do with your data. This and other settings can be changed at a later time. Make sure this checkbox is selected, as initializing your repository afterwards can prove to be difficult. Once you are done, click the green button to create your repository. To find your new repository at any time, navigate to your dashboard and select it under My Repositories. You can change different options and manage collaborators by clicking on Settings. In the Options tab, you will find basic settings such as your repository name and description. You can also toggle whether the repository is public or private and whether it will appear on the Explore page of the site. Click Update Settings to save any changes. Some more useful functions can be found at the bottom of this page. If you choose to delete your repository, you will need to confirm by typing in its name and clicking the red button. You can add and manage collaborators from the Collaboration tab. If your collaborator is already a member of the site, simply search for their username and click the green button to confirm. In case they are not, you can enter their email address here and click the orange button. Please be aware that this will automatically send an invitation email. Once a collaborator has been added, you can select what kind of permissions they have, or remove them. These settings are saved automatically. Once your repository is set up, you can start uploading files. To do so, navigate to your repository and click Upload File. If you would like your file to be in a new folder, you can create one now by typing in its name here. Drag files into the drop area or click to open a file browser. Up to 10 files, each no larger than 1 GB in size, can be uploaded at one time. You can write a short commit message so that you and your collaborators know why these files were added. Clicking on Commit Changes will finalize the upload. Please note that if an uploaded file has the same name and format as one already present in the upload directory, the original file will be overwritten. To retrieve files from your repository, open the file and click Download. This will either directly start the download, or for text files and images, open a raw version in your browser that you can save. You can delete any file you have open by clicking on the trash can icon. Type in a short commit message that explains why the file was deleted and click Commit Changes. File history will remain after deletion, so the file can be recovered later if necessary. The GIN web interface can also be used to make new text files. Navigate to the location in your repository where you would like a new file and click on the New File button. You should give your file a name and, optionally, an extension, such as .txt for plain text files. You can also create a new folder for your file by typing the name of the folder before the file name and separating them with a slash. Once you have finished editing, add a commit message and click Commit Changes. You can also use the web interface to edit text files. Just open the file and click on the pencil icon. Once you have made your changes, you can use the Preview tab to make sure everything is correct. Add a commit message and click Commit Changes to save. Other kinds of files, such as images and Microsoft Office documents, cannot be modified from the interface directly. You can make changes by altering the file on your computer and uploading the new version to the same location. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it has helped you to understand how to use the Gin web interface.